Robots redefine flexibility in heavy industries, compact and agile, rely on the magnetic base to fix it on the steel plate. Intuitive graphic-based coding let any operator master tasks in minutes, no advanced skills. The welding waypoints safety point, arc starting point, arc extinguishing point, departure point require only 4-step calibration for rapid welding test setup. Applicable to multiple metal materials, supports welding of carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, with a material thickness range of 5到50毫米.